Guys, welcome back to another video of Alecia in Jamaica. Today I am going to a secret location. You know, a girl upon live, she can't tell her location just like that. So it's a secret location until I reach there. Then I will start recording. Perhaps tomorrow I will upload that video, but for now I am on live. So hi to all my Facebook friends and family, especially my crew were in America, because my support is in America. America people support me, because I'm my friend them they America. So Lisa, you need to go to America. Every day I come and talk about America. What a thing for me. So I'm just here waiting on my drive. I pack my bag already. I have my hairstyle up. I have on a cute little outfits. I don't want to see my outfit. I do my nails, so I have to wait now till somebody come to tie the back. But hi, Denny. Miller. Big up on yourself, the Miller family. Yes, today I go on one secret location, my love. So I just wait for my drive to come, so I can go about my business. I need a bag juice. Mommy, you want a bag juice, please? One yellow one. I want a yellow vanilla biscuit. I say by the time I finish with it in other place, I have one big bill. Let me show you my outfit. This is my outfit for the day. When somebody come, I ask them to tie the bag for me, because I can't tie it. Anybody want to tie the bag? No yellow one, no did that? Alright, careful. Yeah, so this is Alecia's outfit for the day. And then when time I reach now, I got change. Come look like me, I got check off. You tie the bag juice for me, please. My mom is carrying bag juice for me. I want vanilla biscuit. Bag juice pan base. I miss lady come. Yeah, look at my drive come. Yes, people. So I come to Jamaica. I come to sort out certain things and to visit my mom and dad. And see my friends and family. And also to enjoy myself too. I can't just come here and enjoy myself. After me no idiots. Go over there, so. I just do my nails, I want them dry. Yeah. So I'm going to flash them a bit. Looking lovely, thank you. See, real recognize real. And everybody I go come and say you look lovely, you know. Some just come and look. So big up yourself, you know. Then come and look and that's it, my love. But should I make sure do my nails then for me, you know, then would I do better. But anyway, one next day we ask Shay to do it before me go. Before I leave. Come, I want one little biscuit because from morning I don't eat nothing. So I eat one little biscuit and my bag juice. So my mother go for my biscuit because when I come here this my life. Look like me have to go buy some carry over. The sun come, then I put on this. I'm back. Mommy, you hear them foolishness, sir? Pork. But they asked him already. I have Shami on Campbell. Tamar.
Like this bit and bag juice. I will enjoy myself. Because when we go back, I different settings. So let me enjoy myself in Jamaica while I'm here. Yes, Shami and me there. Me there, my love. I'm going to
Eat one for biscuit.
December, you're forward. Okay. When you come, make sure you enjoy Jamaica. Sweetie, something I want me and yam. You see why I put on the weight? Me and yam, sweetie, something. Be sweet things. Because I'm sweet. Duh. I mean, I want nobody come
Ask me why me I put on weight. Me supposed to put on weight, me a big man.
only want me look.
Like me have weight.
Mag and dry out.
Allow me, man, me enjoy the little weight. Everywhere I go, I put on weight, man. I put, me for look like big man, me a big man. And I don't know what kind of weight to not talk about because my belly not covering the front.
Don't leave me alone. I don't have no man to stress me out. So I'm supposed to put on weight. I don't have nobody to stress me out, baby girl. Nobody not stress out the baby girl here. Bag juice pan base. Shower with two of them now. Because I like them. I'm supposed to put on weight.
Because I don't have any man a stress me out. Yeah, when me the maga, a man a stress me out.
That's why I the maga. So now I have no man
A stress me out. That's why me a flourish so and me a put on weight.
So what? I'm Mitzi Graham.
That's my schoolmate.
Yeah, as I was saying,
I don't want nobody come talk about how me I put on weight. I'm supposed to put on weight because I don't have anybody that stress me out. I don't have no man problem. I don't have nobody that cheat for me. And I can't germs come give me.
That's why I'm not stressed
out. So anyone who know that on my life where have no man and stress no out or no maga like dog, wanna stay there so and don't come over here. I can ask me why me put on weight. Me supposed to put on weight. Me not have no man problem.
Hi Shauna. Cousin, that's my family.
Yeah.
Again, she's
in America. All of my family then they America. Me need to go over there. Every day me I go come here and me I go talk about America until me reach over there. Then me stop talk about it. Anything you want in life, talk about it and it will happen.
The place hot. We need to put them beach shoes there in my bag. Several people from my life.
Big up the 7 people on my live. These are my 7 genuine people.
Hi Shauna.
You're beautiful also. Thank you.
Mommy. Shauna, they're on the live.
Hi Shaw. You know Shauna, Paulette. Paulette Shana. Paulette Estonia. Shana. Shana.
Shana.
And Vicky.
Hi, Shana.
Just say hi. I
And
remember
Vicky.
Vickas them up Whitehall.
Deal with Shana.
Vicky, yeah. Them we see you. Hello, Vicky. Vickas
Okay.
daughter.
I remember which one.
Vickas daughter, where?
Oh, one Abraham.
Abraham, yeah. Abraham, yeah.
Bye.
Thank you, Shaw. Shana say hi, auntie. Yeah.
Lord,
She look like her head are going. You look so.
so good, auntie.
Thank you.
I ate my just at
Talk about me a big man. I'm supposed to look like big man. I'm not supposed to look like no dry up picnic.
I'm supposed to look like some
Big nice auntie. Don't you proud of no auntie? All my nieces on here and family. I'm not supposed to proud of no auntie. You know the auntie they wanna can go out with. I mean that. Cause right now my niece a come for me. Nikki a come for me. That's love daughter. She a come for me, my love. She a carry me out. She a carry out her auntie. She a treat her auntie today.
so that is it. I need my nails to dry before she come. Every time I see one carry, I think of me. Girl, get ready early, you know, cause girl no want late. One time you was
The collarbone. Water could have settled in my collarbone. No water not settled in my collarbone no more, my love. Cause I'm comfortable right now.
girl comfortable over here.
No need to be stressed.
See my maga like that. I look at dirty nasty people want to see my maga like
Like that. Are we cussing, you know?
wanna come for me, the page every minute ask me how me look so big. If you did maga,
Me would have chat, oh you look bad. Same so, adapt me attack. Or then chat too much. But me there have to come on my platform and cuss them.
me not have no man problem.
So, me nah go maga like uno. No man a stress uno out. Walk and fuck everybody and carry germs come go no.
Every minute when I be a doctor.
Scratch you no underneath. Wanna leave me alone and not make me dip up underneath you know.
You know, have a little orange man, them a walk.
All about a carry germs come go no.
Let me stop because the people them,
Yeah.
I'm behave myself coming have no manners.
Sometime. I'm a Libra, so I'm a scale up and down. So no mess with me, we mess.
Back with Uno. Simple as that. Thank you for joining my life. And big up everybody that come in
And tune in to
Alecia Christopher. People, if you now
watch my video. Wanna go over my YouTube page and support Alecia Christopher. Yeah, me a grow. I got 6,200 subscribers. Who vex? My work hard.
in them time, yeah.
Please do not call me if you see me on live. Me no know I go and delete messenger again. Only too enough somehow no. I wanna love woman so. And
Me I go block him, you know.
too enough man.
See me there on my life.
Good could I even make you ring me. Stop disturb the live and make me and my people them stay upon it and enjoy ourselves. We are call every minute to disturb the life for sir. You don't understand when somebody there on live you cannot call. Me ignorant fool no man.
No make
Uno little penis bada uno. Me no want no man. Me no want to know. So bumbo clot. Look
come out on a little dirt.
dirty penis all the time want push pan people. Nobody tell you say me I look man. Come out of my inbox man. Every minute that man I go and put your name on social media if you don't stop calling me. As I see people on messenger or little live on a call. One a call for if me dey on live, how me I go answer on. You have sense? Thank you, Denry Miller.
Too enough, man.
Come disturb me life and see me and my people them attack.
Okay, in a them your time, yeah, you need little weight to survive.
Laugh out loud. Sorry for Maga dog. Maga people. Me nah laugh. Vicky,
You're bad, you know, Vic.
that's bad.
Hello, Frost. You see somebody.
Upon live. There's no way I can answer you if I'm on live. I'm having a conversation with my friends them. My dieted friends them will support me. The time the day I call me go support me on my platform, man. Or ask me what is my cash up. Why you don't call me and ask me what is my cash up and send some money come give me? Jamaica is very expensive, you know.
So instead of you
Call me and say, Alecia Christopher, I'm gonna send something on your cash up or my Western Union. Send me a Western Union for go stand up in a line and giant line and collect one little money. Yeah, call me. Don't call my phone like that, sir.
and disturb me. Sure.
If I call you, if you not go call me for money, you call me for money, but don't call me and disturb me for foolishness.
Thank you, Frost. See, Frost send me
100 stars. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Frost. That's my #1 supporter. Wanna see him name? Frost Fame. Yeah.
Frost not call me.
Me and bother me, you know. See where Frost do? Just send me 100 stars. And people are not the fake stars them this. So don't send no fake star to me. These are the stars that you have to purchase. And you can send it to Alecia Christopher. So thank you again, Frost, because Frost, some people are sending me some fake stars, you know. I don't know
Why them are sending
fake stars there to me. Premium award. Let me see how much stars they send. Come give me Frost. 100 star. 100 star. 100. 300 stars they send. Come give me. But Frost, it look like you're rich, you know.
See, the other day you sent me
2 little stars. That's nice. May your cup overflow with blessings. So big up yourself. Yeah, support a good cause. Yeah. May I give you entertainment and you are supporting me. So
so thank you very much. I see that you enjoy my videos. Frost, have you
subscribe to Alecia Christopher YouTube channel.
Let me know. See, Frost send me
300 stars received. These are the stars that you purchase. These are not the fake stars that some people are sending. But big up on yourself also if you not send me the fake stars them too. But Frost know the real deal.
Mommy, I got 300
stars.
Somebody send me
300 stars, Frost.
It's money.
Which one today?
For this one, me
The Panier attack. Yeah, you like my videos. Frost, you like me or you like my videos? Let me know.
I bother you.
I didn't subscribe yet. Okay, you can subscribe. It's Alecia Christopher YouTube channel. Hi, Jody Ford. Hello, first time on your live. You want to join me on live?
Yes, I'm going to a
Secret location, Jody. And I won't tell anybody where I'm going until I reach there and I start going with myself. And then I do my little record. And then tomorrow I edit my video and post it on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining my live, Jody. Welcome. Nicola Burnett. Good afternoon, Lisa. Good afternoon, Nicole.
Nicola Burnett. Look like me I forgot to not
School teachers, because when the names then come up, me have to big on up.
have to big one up. I want my drive there.
Soon come. Me have one little bag juice at out, you know. Eat a bag juice pan base.
Who wants some bag juice? Me eat one biscuit already, me I eat my bag juice pan base. I got a passport office Tuesday, and when we go passport office,
May I ask everybody if them sell bag juice? Nobody no sell no bag juice. Like anything can joke me, you know. A bag juice me like, it tastes nice.
thank you, Frost.
Another 100 stars. Oh, premium award. So fast a big me up, you know. I nah laugh, me get 400 stars.
So me tell the people them say
I want bag juice.
hi Donette.
So me tell the people them say I want bag juice, them a laugh after me like say,
Me a joke. And I
do you want me like bag juice me want? Oh, I get 500 stars now?
thank you, Frost. If Frost
I send me stars to Rotted. I would drink one right now. It's so hot. Yeah. Hi, Maureen. Maureen, me have a little friend on this live here right now. I give me some stars and give me 500 stars already. 600 stars. Lord God, Frost is a rich man. I like a rich man, yeah, you know.
Maureen, me I drink my bag juice
Spam base.
while Frost a send
Send me the proper stars, them. Frost not send me no fake star. Frost buying star them and send them to me. No fake.
fake stars round here. So that little dirty man
They were depend me depend my life and a call me a disturb my life. What you need to do, you need to go and follow Frost and send me some stars like Frost, or send me to Western Union, or ask me about my cash app. Don't keep calling me on Messenger like that. You need to do like Frost, that purchase the stars and send them to me. See stars, 600 stars. Frost, give me money.
my mother can't bother with me.
You know. That's it.
Wait there.
Frost, you send me 500 stars. Right now, I'm not going with nothing, you know. A Frost alone are going with the things them. The man send me 1,100 stars, mommy. I'm on, you know. Frost rich. Frost, which country you live in now? Talk to me, please.
I need to know which country
You live in now.
I don't. Every little make a moko. Every little make a moko. No some mommy? Yeah. What you do? Go feed them mango
Mango them?
Okay. My mother go for some eat.
East Indian mango for me.
Thank you, Frost.
Frost. We should have something where we can. Let me see.
Yeah. Frost.
Show them how it's done. So Frost send 50 more stars there to me. Premium.
Award.
So Frost, you like my videos? Or you like me? You like my videos or you like me? You like the person doing the videos, yeah? Very entertaining.
What I'm gonna do
When I go to my secret location, I might go back live. If I have Wi-Fi. If I don't have Wi-Fi, I can't go live, my love. Because me never buy one chip down here. Because I don't understand Jamaica, me here. So when you buy your chip, and if you don't use it, Sonia, that's not the star. You have to purchase the stars. Like Frost. These are little emoji stars. But thank you anyway. Yeah.
You're going back to work?
later. Where you live, Frost? Lindsay
Wilson. Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay. Frost, is it up?
hard to purchase the stars because some people don't understand, and I think what I have to do a little video showing people how to purchase the stars to support my live videos.
You're in Canada.
Jesus Christ, no Frost. At Canada you live? Me dem not have to come to Canada come look for you.
Are you married?
Are you married? And have kids and wife? Because if you're married, I can't deal with the married people then, because when you go in a church or take oath unless there's some fake marriage on a depend. Because some of the man who not married nowadays and not married for love. Who not married for marriage sake. Who not look smart if you tie down, we don't know when you get old.
Francis, I'm not
Talking to you, I'm just talking in general.
It's easy link it with your
Debit or credit card. They don't know it. They keep sending me the little
stars, but I'm still thankful. Not everybody know how it's done.
Yeah.
But big up yourself.
And thank you. And I hope you have a wonderful day at work today and stay blessed. So first me I go later and then me I go post my video.
Not
Everyone has that option, Jody.
That's what I'm saying. It's okay. If people don't have, as long
As they still support me, I'm fine. First is a little millionaire, my love.
wanna hear me, I suck out the bag juice. What I'm gonna do,
I'm gonna do a mini video and show how it's done. Because once you click the star icon,
to say,
support the video, it will pop up.
but then again, I'm not.
Everybody have money, and I'm not forcing anyone to send me stars like that. But if you do have it, it's fine. If you don't, just like the video, send me art, it's not a problem. I enjoy doing these videos and I'm doing it for fun. I'm not doing it for any money.
But since Frost have money,
That's fine. Yeah, you can send little art, little like, click the like button. I'm gonna know say yes when I like the video.
and I also wanna eat up.
On the bag juice from base.
So Frost is a married man, you know. You can't look on Frost like because
Frost is a married man.
I mean, I want nobody come
Beat me up for them man, cause me never get beat up for no
man yet. Cause any man need,
tech. If me want them, they have to stay.
if me no want them, they have.
To go.
And sometimes what
I do, I give people to play with my
I
leftover toys. You understand? And if me want back the toy, me can ask back for the toy.
read between the lines. My mother said I must share with the less.
Less fortunate.
Hi, Toes. How are you doing?
You bake anything today?
Did you bake anything today?
Potatoes?
That's my friend in the UK.
Okay.
She bake cakes. People, Toss.
She Toes or whatever, Abbas. She bake cakes and do pastry in the UK. So if you're watching this live and you're living in the UK, you can follow her and you can order some pastries from her. She bake nice cakes and she do nice pastries. Big up yourself. Are they carried out? I think I have to end this live now because my drive is here. So I have to go now. So bye. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. And I will come back to you soon. Bye.